Hi guys, I'm Kian Hao, so I'm going to do the presentation for task 2.1p. So now let's talk about the vector class. Now we have set the default capacity for the array which is 10, and this the array name data and the count. So we set the count to default which is 0, and the capacity. So capacity it will show the length of the array, and we have like make two constructor which is the one can insert the capacity you want or like straight away use the default capacity. And here I have indices. And we have methods extend data. So for this, like we can extend the extra capacity we want to the data. And this adding a element. So you're going to check is it the count equals to the capacity. If yes, then you will extend the data with the default capacity and add the element in. And the index of, so you're going to search, this is going to search the index of the element. So if yes, you're going to show the index. If no, you're going to show -1. And now here's the insert method. So you're going to check is it the index is in the range. If yes, then you're going to show the exception. If no, it will continue run. So if the count is equals to the capacity, you will extend the data with 1 and move all the data after uh, the index and after the index value and all the value after the index to the right and add the value into the index. And this is to clean all the value in the index. So it will like the default. So it will change the capacity to a default capacity and all the data in the array clean. And for this is going to check is it the array contain this element. So like if we can find the index of this element, it will return true. If no, it will return false. And this is the remove. So the element. So at first you're going to find is it contain the element. If yes, you're going to find the index of the element. Then remove. Use remove add to remove the specific value. So remove add. This is going to remove the specific data from the index. So you're going to check is it index of a range. So if no, it will continue run this. So you're going to move all the element after the index to left. So like it will cover the value in the index and count -1. So this the to string. So you're going to show all the element in the array for this. So this is the default the sort. So this is the default function to sort the element in the array. And for here we have used the I comparer. So like it was sort with the very one in the function. So for here you can see. Okay, so now we have now let's go to the tester. So for here we have ascending integer comparer, which is using the a variable with int, so it only can sort the integer, and we have used the compare function. Here also the same thing. So for here all is just for integer, and so we have make a new class student and use the icomparable student. So icomparable will make uh so we can choose the element in the class we want uh to make it be comparable, to make it compare. So for here we have a ID, a name. So like normally the name is cannot be compared, and we want to compare the ID. So we use the compare to tell them, oh, just want to compare the ID. So when we grant in the sort here, so they will know like, oh, we just want to compare the ID. So like they'll automatically compare the ID. So at here, so we have make a comparer here. So we want them to compare the student A and B. So it will compare the student ID. So it will going to check is it we have insert any value in the A or B. Yep, if yes, then it will continue. And this is the same thing. So for this, like we have like compare the name in descending order. And yeah, we have also used the compare to here, like to tell them, oh, we just want to compare the name. And here is the tester. Let's run it. So yeah, all pass. So this is my presentation. Thank you.